like to know how you're going to get back.
I don't know. I'm videoing!
It's probably Valentine's bad for you. Hey, you hear me?
What?
How y'all need to talk.
Alright. Holy shit. I know! You got it off!
Okay.
I just realized on the way back we're going to have to make that jump without the tree.
Oh my God. Boy, that's weird.
Connor!
I want to go see the creek. I couldn't find the creek.
Mommy, you wouldn't be able to do it.
Thank you.
I mean, you wouldn't. It's a lot of jumping.
Oh, did Ryan do it?
No, there's a lot of jumping though. Yeah, he did it.
Very good. So,
Doesn't
what are you doing there?
That makes it fair game to spin.
I know. Yes, it does. What? Yeah, we're ready. Are y'all ready? You're gonna be okay.
Your legs are so short. I wish Mama
My legs short? We're just skinny.
Hold on, wait, get close. Look at that.
Get in the back there, okay?
Keeping up good.
I love this one. What else can we look at? We have to get the baby Kate. I've seen all these.
Gosh, your password's so easy.
How do you know my password?
He doesn't know it.
He doesn't know. You're gonna lock me out though.
He's just typing random stuff.
Pretty good, huh? Yeah. She's a smart one.
Yeah, I'm smarter than you.
Y'all some mean brothers and sisters.
I would have said something very mean.
Smarter than you, say it. I don't care.
Here in a minute, I'm going to get right there and hold her back.
Yeah, she...
Well, it's a sock. Sock. He was whining for y'all.
Oh, yes.
Hi.
He was crying.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Nothing?
Did he go?
Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Traumatic experience.
Where'd they go?
He went to the car.
Oh, he wants to get up. Are you trying to get up?
He's thinking about sitting up.
He's thinking about it. But there's so much stuff to see. Trees. See the trees? Somebody's behind me. Is that Kate?